is Shafi Mohammad Onanto. I completed my previous studies from Gazipur Cantonment College and I was from the science background. I'm feeling very excited to share the news that I have recently got my student visa from Australia and I have already enrolled myself in Melbourne Institute of Technology in Melbourne, Australia. There I will be studying Bachelor of Networking. I chose this country to pursue my bachelor because of its high standard of living, better career opportunities and cultural diversity and for many more reasons. I came to know about PFEC Global from one of my friends named Mitul. He was in the guidance of Mohiuddin Bhai from Uttara branch. He told me that Mohiuddin Bhai was very friendly and professional for all this kind of stuff. So I decided to get in touch with PFEC Global Uttara branch and I realized that they are very professional and always available to answer my questions, and they are very friendly. Told me that what should I do and what shouldn't I do. He guided me through the whole process and he helped me from the very first day to the last day. If you are planning to study abroad, I would like to recommend you PFEC Global because of its professionalism. I think that would be a good choice for you guys to have a visit in this office. Thank you.